Hey guys, it's Riley. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look, and it's for my graduation, my virtual graduation, but still counts. So I hope you guys like this look. I used the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So yeah, bye. I already curled my hair. This is to not get in my way when doing my makeup. First thing is I'm gonna put concealer on my eyelids, and this concealer is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Then I'm going to blend in with Beauty Blender. Before I go in with my eyeshadow, I'm going to do my eyebrows. This is an e.l.f. brow pencil, and I'll brush them out. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Wow Brow. I just kind of brush it up. I'm going to start off with the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush like this one, and then I'm going to go in with this purple one and just put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take a flat shadow brush like this one, mostly flat, and just put that same color on all over my lid to make sure it's even. I'm going to go in with Mandala and put that on my eyelid. I'm going to use my finger first and see how it works. I'm just packing that in on my eyelid. That's what I'm going to do for eyes. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to take this wet cloth makeup wipe and just kind of clean up my eyes. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Then I'm going with the highlight one. Before foundation, I'm going to take this green color corrector stick. Okay, I'm going to use the COVERGIRL Clean Fresh foundation in medium/tan. Maybe a little dark. Put that on a beauty blender and then blend that all in. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer again. Just put a little bit under my eyes. Then I'm going to blend that in with the beauty blender. I'm going to take this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's a bit darker, and I'm going to cover up my spots. Now I'm going to go in with contour, green contour. I'm going to use the Kaja sponge stamp. Then I'll go in with the beauty blender and blend that in. And then to add some shimmer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Bronzed Peach Melting Powder Bronzer. Okay, then I'm going to add liquid highlight, and I'm going to use this Euphoric Gold from Makeup Revolution on the top of my nose, and then blend it in with the beauty blender. I'm going to bake it under my eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I like to carve it under my bronzer just to make it more sharp. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend it away. I'm going to add this Mary Lou Manizer by The Balm Cosmetics, this highlight. I'm just using my finger to pat on my nose, right above my lip. And then I'm going to take a small brush, put it under my eyebrow. I'm going to spray my face with this e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. And then I'm going to use the Morphe Luminous Spray. I like to use it in combination. Almost done. I'm going to do mascara, and I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. That's what it looks like. This one's almost out, so that's all done. And the last thing is lips. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. Okay. I just mixed a little of the Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy in Let's Flamingo. I hope you guys liked it. I did something a little different, more kind of pastel-y, holographic eyeshadow look. If you liked this makeup look, please subscribe, and I can do more in the future. And thanks for watching. Bye.